Okay, hey guys, I'm Christoph Kemper, founder of the Link Research Tools, creator of Link Detox. Katarina was here in a 2-day workshop for an LRT certified professional. Katarina, what made you pick our workshop and come all the way from the Ukraine to Vienna?
So this year I won the Entrepreneur of the Year award by Pioneer.
Oh,
and
congratulations.
yeah, thank you. And that's why I decided to invest in myself, in the knowledge, and I was looking for some trainings that will give me some benefits and develop myself, and as a result my team and my projects we promote, and so I picked up Link Research Tools as such a company, and I think I accomplished my goals with it, because we covered not only backlinking analysis but also competitors research, other offsite optimization, and many other tools that will help to grow websites if you know these specific things that you can't find out in any other place.
So was it some basic stuff or only technical stuff?
I would say that it wasn't basic, and apart from the stuff we discussed during the course, I liked that we interacted with each other, not only in the class but on lunch breaks. Yeah. So I think it was technical, but also lots of insights that you will not learn in other places.
That you cannot learn in other places, where you have bigger groups, where this intensive interaction is just not possible.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. I really like, you saying how, you need to invest in yourself, which is one of my mantras, because nobody can take that away. Money can be worthless tomorrow, but nobody can take away the knowledge. Thank you very much.
Thank you.